So, you're thinking about becoming a data analyst? Let's map out exactly how to get there.
All right, here it is. This is your guide for starting out, and we're going to walk this path together.
First things first, what does a data analyst even do? Basically, they find useful info and data.
To get started, you'll need the right toolkit, a combo of essential skills and some powerful software.
Okay, let's start with the skills. We're talking analyzing data, solving problems, the whole shebang.
And you know what's absolutely crucial? A good grasp of stats and math. It's the bedrock.
Now for the tools. Think of these as your software essentials, each with its own special job.
Okay, you've got your gear. Now let's actually follow the map and look at this step-by-step process.
This whole process really breaks down into 3 main stages, kicking off with getting and cleaning data.
First, you grab all the raw data. Then you start poking around, looking for those first patterns.
And the final piece of the puzzle, turning all those numbers into a story that people actually get. Look, knowledge is great, but what really makes you a pro is actual hands-on experience. This is where you build your portfolio. Projects like these show employers what you can actually do.
Seriously, a good portfolio is your ticket. It's what's going to open those doors for you.
But wait, technical chops aren't the whole story. Your soft skills are just as important, if not more. Things like communication and just being a good teammate, that's what really makes you stand out.
Stick to this roadmap, put in the work, and you'll be on your way to an awesome career.
So, the roadmap's clear. The only question is, what's your first step going to be?